Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is, you can see here, it's Scotsman ice maker. This ice maker actually totally not working at all. Because of that, now I'm going to repair this machine and I will show you how to repair. This machine actually totally dead. It's not coming power, everything. Because of that, now I'm going to repair this one and we will go to the next step. Dear friends, I already given power connection, but you can see here only this power on indicator only coming, but any other not working. It is no any noise, at least fan, compressor is nothing. Because of that, I have to remove this part here. After that, we have to check the power connection, everything, and we will remove the front cover. After that, we can check. We can identify here control board and we will remove this part. After that, we will check. How to check? We have to remove these two screws here. We have to unscrew these two. Now we can keep it here like that. This is the control board. It's actually totally dead. We have to check properly. Now I check the fuse also, but no any problem with the fuse here. That's why I'm going to remove direct here. I will remove this filter. Also, I have to unscrew this all the screws. This one two screws, because the control board we can take it out. Now like that we can take it out. Control board. You can see here, actually it is too much cockroaches are there. You can see dear friends, here too much cockroaches. Actually maybe they are inside short. I will remove the here harness. We can remove here harness assemble here. All the connectors we can remove. Before that, if you want to, you can take the picture also. But this two, it is no problem. But this two is it's as same. It's you can see. This two, it is same. Because of that, I am telling, kindly take the photo before removing. Now this white one here, while we are keeping like that, white one it will come up. The black it will come middle. This two as same actually we can fix. Because of that, I am telling again. Other one also we can remove here. You can see here. After taking up this lock, here I will show you properly. Here like that we can take it out here like that. Now this one already I removed. Also this two power connection. So this was supply wire and neutral wire. Now I took already all the, I remove already harness connectors. Now I will remove, I have to check properly. Here middle having one screw. It's too much actually, insects are gone. It's too much. Oh my goodness. You can see dear friends what happened to this control board. It's still having cockroaches. It's too much. You can see here. I cannot believe that much actually. Oh my goodness. Still having cockroaches are here. It is somewhere, it's maybe short. Oh my god. We will clean first here. Too much actually is very bad. Here dear friends, here this lock. After this lock remove, we can take it out. You can see dear friends, still having too much cockroaches are here. It is already got shorted here. You can see here. You can see dear friends what happened to this board. It is already gone here. It is cockroaches are shorted, and after that it already got damaged. Main control board. That's why it's not working. You can see dear friends, now here it is already shorted. This capacitor, this both capacitor we have to replace. Also here resistor, this 2 resistor and 2 capacitor we have to replace. Also shorted actually here downside, this side also. After replacing we will check if should work actually. Anyway, we will go to the next step and we will repair it. First we will remove the damaged capacitor. That capacitor 0.22 microfarad. Both capacitor we have to replace, also resistors too. First we will remove the capacitor which is damaged one. Here this one also damaged, other one also damaged, here other side. You can see here it is already too much damage actually. It is 2 I already replaced, also 2 resistors. This one and this one I already replaced. Now we can check. Also I clean properly control board. It is too much dirt before, because cockroaches are here and they are gone. It also is too much damage actually. Now it is already repaired. Now we will check. After fixing we can check it is whether working or not. It should work actually, because this 2 capacitor already burned, also resistors, 2 resistors. Now we will check after fixing with the control board. Now dear friends, I'm going to give connections. We have to take the connections from here to there. It will come like that. You can see here. All the connections we have to fix properly. Yes, lock will come like that. Also this one will come to middle black one. Yes, it will come like that. The white will come to the corner. It will come like that. Now this one, blue will come here corner.
Now it's okay. This one also we have to keep this way. Now it's okay, all the connections are okay. Now we will cover this one. Yeah, this way it will come, all the lights should come to out. Now it's okay. Now we can fix the screw here. Now it's okay. Fix this one here. It will come like that. You can see here. All the screws will come here. I will fix screw also. All the connections, everything's perfect. Now I have to give the water connection and we will check. Also we will give the power. We have to supply water and we will check it is whether cubes, ice cube make or not. It should make actually. Anyway, we will test now. We will try. Dear friends, I already given power connection. Also I given water connection. We will check now. Here you can see here. Water taken to the machine now. You can hear the noise. Yes dear, water taken to the machine. We can open also top cover, we can check. Yes dear, still having cockroaches actually. Water taken to the machine. Still water taken. If it is machine start, it will be okay. Abhi you can see dear friends, since machine already got start. Yes my dear, its compressor also working. That means it's getting cool. We will close this part, otherwise water going here and there. It's too much cockroaches are still here. And we will wait. We will close the cover also. We will close here. And we will wait until making ice cube. You can see dear friends, still machine is running, but still not make ice cubes, because now almost half an hour, 45 minutes already gone. We will check. Now already stop the motor. Now it should come ice cubes. We will check now, because compressor also stop now. Water pump also stop. Now we will check. If it is ice cube will come, my job already complete. Yes dear, its ice cubes are coming. You can see here. That's mean my job already success. I can hand over to the customer. Hi dear friends, now you can see here ice is making well, no any issue. Machine is working perfectly, no problem. It's working very well, no any issue. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.